Okay, we came to the end of the last program in this batsman's in the program code. So he has been mentioned as a batsman's. Reason is very simple. Whenever you are writing the code, so it should not be duplicated. Only one time that should be used. Okay, and because of that, the time taken to execute the codes is going to be more. So that should be get avoided. Hence, duplicate codes are going to be avoided. It should be removed from the program. Then, or the project, I can say. Then long methods should not be used. The processing will be there, mathematical functionalities will be there. So the long methods that should not be used for the output. So what you have to do is you have to redesign the programs. So you should give the shortcut methods to get the answers. So you should use those techniques for the implementation of the program. Okay. Then you should not use the switch cases basically, because the switch cases are going to be involved in the duplications. Okay, more duplicates are going to be present in case of switch cases. You should avoid this switch cases by going into the object-oriented concepts, so it can be get avoided. Next is data clumping, where the data is going to be, again in this also, more than one time that it is going to occur. Reoccurring of the things are going to happen in this also. Like classes will be there, parameters are going to be there. So these things are going to occur. So it should be get avoided from in the program point of view. So it should be replaced with the encapsulation of the objects. So that you have to make it, so that it is going to be easy to use it. So one time you are going to call, one time it is going to be present, and n number of times you can able to call that particular functions. Speculative generality. So here this is for the purpose of future things that it has been written. So any developers are going to write, so it is the programmer or SRS is not going to say that this has to be get implemented. So only from the developer point of view, he is going to think that this is required for the future. He is going to write that particular code. So when he is going to write that particular code, the cost is going to increase for that, and time is also going to be taken. So to avoid this, what you have to do is you have to remove the speculative generality. Is nothing but new programs which is not specified in the SRS. It should be removed from the project. So these are the, if you are going to do these things, then your re-engineering concept is going to be fruitful. And this ends the module number 4, and I am going to suggest that in this chapter you should concentrate more on testings. Okay, testings and functionalities where the re-engineering concepts are going to be there. Those things that you have to concentrate more, and try to practice on the what we can say figures. Okay, diagrams are going to be there. Practice properly and try to remember the figures and write explanation for all the figures, so that if you are going to do it, then it is going to be better for your passing of this particular subject. Okay, thank you.